Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw Olaf from Frozen 2. So, to start off with this, we're going to begin with his eyes. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up like this, and it's just going to come back down and then connect to here. Not quite a complete circle shape. It's almost a little pointy at the end. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just kind of make a little bit more of a circle shape on this side, just like that. And this one can be a little bit higher, so it's kind of like he's looking up. Now, inside of here, I'm just going to draw a small circle, and I'm going to color in most of it. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just draw a small circle, and then color in most of it. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes up and down right at the tip of his nose. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to kind of come back up like this. It's kind of a weird shaped carrot. And then I'm just going to add some kind of little curved lines on here. Now for his eyebrows. So starting right above his eye, you want to draw a line that's just going to kind of go over and then down. And then I'm just going to kind of retrace on top of this just to make it a little darker. And then same thing over here, go over and then down, and then just kind of retrace on top of it. Then I'm going to start right here at the eyebrow and just draw a line that goes right down to the nose. Then, starting up here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just kind of going to go up, and then it's going to go down. And then I'm just going to go out a little bit and then come in and down like this. He's got a pretty big head. Now, starting out here by the nose, you want to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to go over, and then up really close to his eye. And then you want to start here and just draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve up to here. Then I'm just going to make a little kind of rectangle shape right here for a tooth. Then right here I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's just going to come across and then connect to here for the head. And then just draw a little curved line right down here. Now for his body. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that kind of curves out. Then it's going to come around and then curve up to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a bigger one, just kind of curve right around here. Make it go up and then come up to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, over, and then comes back up for his leg. And then another one that just kind of curves out, goes down, and then curves back up for his other little foot. Now for his arm, I'm just going to make a little squiggly line out here, and then another one, keep them really close together. Then I'm going to make a little bump for the thumb. And then I'm going to make 3 little skinny lines for his fingers. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just make a little squiggly line here, and then another one right there for his arm. Little tiny bump for his thumb. And then some little squiggly lines for his fingers. Now, the final thing we want to do is we want to add his hair and his buttons. So, he has 3 little hairs on his head. So, the first one, I'm just going to draw a little skinny line that goes up like this. And then I'm just going to kind of come back down with it. And then I'm going to add a little curved one at the end. Then I'm going to make a real tall one right here, really skinny. And then I'm going to put another one right here that just kind of curves down and put a little bump on the end. Now we just want to add his little buttons. So these are just kind of like really bumpy kind of circle shapes. I'm going to put one on this top one. And then I'm going to put another one here. And then one more right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Olaf from Frozen 2. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.